Well, hello everyone. I'll get this going here. All right. Just we're out for a drive. I got you on here and I got you on the GoPro. And we're going out looking for some chickens. Just drove in from down. I'm out on a back road. It's almost 6:30 at night. It's probably a little too late, but I want to check this road out, see how it was. And actually, since the last time I was in here, all the potholes are all filled in. They've laid good rock down. They got a good base here. It's one of the roads that my brother and I used to hunt all the time. So anyway, we're just out for a drive tonight, and I want to check to see if I can get any grouse. I call them chickens. Went out, got my hunting license. I haven't went out and purchased my deer tag yet. Still contemplating that. I think today is September 22nd, so still a little bit warm out. We've been having some cool nights, but I've been seriously thinking about going out, shooting one deer, either a nice small buck or a nice doe, not nothing small, nothing too big, you know, just a nice sized doe. And I'm hoping that you know, maybe with this ride tonight, I don't know how good it's going to be. If you wonder what I'm doing, I'm looking down the side roads and everything. I probably won't see nothing along here, but it doesn't hurt to drive slow, and as you can hear, it's pretty bumpy. But anyway, welcome to the channel. So today's adventure is we're out for a drive to see if we can find some chickens. Anyway, I got the GoPro going here, and we'll see what we can see. So we'll see you in a bit. All right, just we're out for a drive. I got you on here and I got you on the GoPro, and we're going out looking for some chickens. Just drove in from down. I'm out on a back road. It's almost 6:30 at night. It's probably a little too late, but I want to check this road out, see how it was. And actually, since the last time I was in here, all the potholes are all filled in. They've laid good rock down. They got a good base here. It's one of the roads that my brother and I used to hunt all the time. So anyway, we're just out for a drive tonight, and I want to check to see if I can get any grouse. I call them chickens. Went out, got my hunting license. I haven't went out and purchased my deer tag yet. I'm still contemplating that. I think today is September 22nd, so still a little bit warm out. We've been having some cool nights, but I've been seriously thinking about going out, shooting one deer, either a nice small buck or a nice doe, not nothing small, nothing too big, you know, just a nice sized doe. And I'm hoping that you know, maybe with this ride tonight, I don't know how good it's going to be. If you wonder what I'm doing, I'm looking down the side roads and everything. I probably won't see nothing along here, but it doesn't hurt to drive slow, and as you can hear, it's pretty bumpy. But anyway, welcome to the channel. So today's adventure is we're out for a drive to see if we can find some chickens. Anyway, I got the GoPro going here, and we'll see what we can see. So we'll see you in a bit. Just wanted to stop real quick here and look at the leaves. They're changing. Just beautiful out here. The colors are amazing. Whoops. Well, we're down the road a little ways. Nothing yet. Got some nice shots of the trees changing color. Just the colors right now are not too bad, but another week or so, it's just going to be amazing. Be nice to do a run up the Martin Hills. The colors there will be spectacular. This is the best this road's ever been, I think. Been quite a few years since I traveled this. I think the last time, probably 4 years. I've been in the van 5 years, so yeah, maybe 3 years ago was the last time I was up this way doing any hunting at all. And when I was out here hunting, I was staying here in Alberta. Had went to, no, I'm not sure. It's been a while. Yeah, been in the van going on, or start 20, we're in 2025, almost the end of 25, September. So yeah, be starting my 5th or 6th year, whatever. I got in here in 2020, so pretty soon. Yeah, anyway, whatever. The first 2 winters that I stayed here in Alberta, still having a hard time talking with the new dentures. Yeah, I stayed here in 2020 and 2021, the winter 21-22. I stayed here 2021, 21, 22, and then 22-23. I ended up taking off and traveling with a lady from Quebec, or from Fort McMurray. We traveled 22-23, and then 24 and part of 25, and then she went out on her own traveling. But yeah. Anyway, we're going to carry on down the road. I can't video off my phone looking out. I'll show you why. This is why I can't video with my phone out the windshield. Yeah, with my quad lock for the phone here, I have the one on here, and then I have the one on my motorbike. Just want to take a peek down here and see if any little chickens are running around. There might be a couple out here just sunbathing, and I hope we can get some catch a moose or something running across the road or walking across the road or something here. Anyway, I'm going to continue down and keep my eyes over here and watch for some chickens. Check out the color of the trees here. Looks nice with the sun on them. A lot of little roads here. It's been so long since I've been back here. Everything's grown up big time. Some of the spots that I'm looking at here, I hope there's nothing there. I don't want to be walking through all kinds of mud and up to my knees in mud. Well, it looks like they've redone this road. Oh, big time, big time. Well, the first chicken of the season, and he was like the road runner, 100 miles an hour across the road. I didn't even have the camera going. Anyway, that was one lucky bird. There's 2 chickens just up the road here. Oh, there's another one right there. I don't know if I'll be able to. Oh, they're gone into the tall grass. Well, I've taken a few shots. I think I'm shooting a little high, but I'm shooting free-handed, and they all got away. There's 2 of them just on the shoulder here. I'm going to try my luck. Wish me luck. I want to see if I can hit that bottle. There's something wrong with the scope, I guess. All right, I aim for the top of that bottle. I aim for the cap, and that was good 25 feet away. Those chickens were probably a little bit further. And just a moment. All right, I took a shot. That's at 3 chickens now, and you can see where I took a shot at the cap on that, sitting on that hump, and I blew the cap off. So the gun is right on, so I don't know what the heck is going on. The ones that, one took off to my right, the other one flew into a tree. He started chirping, and as I walked up, he could see me, and he flew off deeper into the bush. So I don't know what's going on, but the gun is right on. I guess I'm just shaking a little bit too much. you know, freehand, it's hard with a 22. Now, if I would have had a 410, I probably could have got both of those birds that were there with one shot, because both of their heads were right there. But can't spend too much time here. So that's 4 or 5 chickens that I've seen so far. And when they take off and go into the bush, well, there's not much you can do. There's too many leaves right now. Well, I guess this pump jack's shut down right now. But I guess I'm going to have to get out and practice. This is the first time in over 3 years that I've shot my gun. I'm going to have to get my my high powered out if I decide to go out and go after any deer. I'm going to have to go out and take a couple shots with that. But yeah, was that 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah, 4 chickens. Oh well, it was worth the drive. We got a little ways yet to go, so anyway, I know, first time in a long time, and can't hit the broadside of a barn door. When I used to hunt before, one shot, shoot in the head, and always seemed to get them. Now just off to the side over here on this side, I'd seen one on the road there. Hopefully we see some on the way out. Before anybody gives me shit, I do have my hunter orange. I do have my hunter orange hat. I realized that after I got out of the van, take a shot at those chickens. I did grab it, and on my way out, I thought, well, I better put it on. Hope the GoPro here is picking up the colors. I can't zoom in with this, but man, oh man, oh man, the colors are just amazing. I'm going to stop and get a couple shots here with the phone. Well, 20 after 7. Oh. Yeah, I still have the GoPro on. Forgot. Anyway, oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful colors. The grass is still high. We need a couple of real good frosts in order to knock the grass down. Not standing out here. They've opened up the roads to some of these old leases. Must be going to be doing some work back here. Well, we got the little bugger. Well, we're on the move again. That guy there, I didn't even see, was in the edge of the grass. Started running. I had you on time lapse. I stopped real quick, ran around, and came back. Couldn't see him. Then I spotted him sitting on a branch. I was looking on the ground. He was on a branch, but 3 feet up. Took a headshot, got him. All I need is 4 more before the end of the road. Well, I got the monkey off my back, got my first one. see one or two more chickens, or just get my shots straightened out, and then when I do see them, I'll be able to hit the stupid things. Surprised I haven't seen any deer out on the road. So far, 5 chickens, and I got one. Yeah, I think it's time to go target practicing and see if I can get a good grouping with this 22. I know if I get my old single shot, that one there, back in the day when I used to use that, every shot that I took I got a bird, but I was younger and my eyesight was better. As you get older, things get worse, right? Get a little shakier, and I think that's what happened with the first ones. Just trying to shoot freehand, it's a little hard. Colors through here are so beautiful. We're heading out to the highway. Had to stop and clean my bird. I hit a bump back there. I had it on time lapse. I don't think it caught it, but with the being dust there, it was hard to see. So anyway, all my lights come back on my dash here. My overdrive, oh, that's the only one that's on, it's the overdrive. Oh, so I guess I must have pushed the button. Well, I had me worried here for a second. I thought my ABS and all them come on, but I didn't hear any sounds. Anyway, we're headed back out to the highway, and that's it for today. We're going to call this one quits. Get too dark. I guess I can turn that on for now. It's ahead of me, just on the highway, or on the back road here. It's a little bit on the foggy side. I think somebody's coming. Oh yeah. Vehicle coming towards me. But anyway, that was it for today. We seen 5 birds. Well, I saw 5 birds. I got one. We didn't see no moose, we didn't see no deer, but I am going to come back this way again and see if we can get some more chickens. I may end up coming out this way and oh, guy watering the road. Didn't even shut it off when I went by. Didn't get me wet anyway. But what was I saying here? Lost track already. Imagine that. That's my normal here. But like I said, I may end up coming back this way here. Go down there for an evening and go down, park in the bush. You know, stay the night, get up in the morning, just travel the roads there first thing in the morning, and if I'm lucky enough to get a couple birds, and then I can scoot back into town. I guess the battery just went dead in the GoPro. Lost signal or something. Not sure what's going on. Anyway, Yeah, it's shut off. The battery's dead. So anyway, I'm carrying this on. Thanks for following along. Hope you enjoy. There's going to be some more of this here. Hunting. Oh, I'm losing everything off my sun visor. That's how bad the road is. You can hear all the washboard. Anyway, enough with all the blah blah blah. We're going to have more adventures out here. Cross my fingers that I decide to go out and get my my deer tag, and if I do, then we'll have some other content. But till then, thanks for following along. Be safe, have fun, and we'll catch you in the next one.